Next question. Is the partnership firm examined as an individual a legal entity? No. Yes. Or as it is partially yes. So answer of this it is the no. Next question. What is the partnership written agreement? It is known as partnership contract, agreement, partnership deed, and partnership act. Answer of this it is the partnership deed. Next question. No partnership agreement. What will be the percentage of profit sharing ratio between them? Unequal, equal. It will be depends on experience of a partner and it will be depends on partner's capital. So answer of this it is the equal. Next question. Which is not a features of a partnership business? Ease of formation, limited liability, limited life, and the mutual agency. Answer of this it is the limited liability. Which kind of partnership one partner has unlimited liability and other partner has the limited liability? Option of this partnership at will, limited partnership, general partnership, and the particular partnership. So answer of this it is the in the limited partnership firm. Next question. Which types of the partnership has no agreement in terms of duration of the partnership? Option of this partnership at will, limited partnership, general partnership, and the particular partnership. Answer of this it is the partnership at will. Next, at least 10 adults, no maximum limit. In case of cooperative society, joint Hindu family, partnership, and the company. Answer of this it is the cooperative society. What is the limit or the maximum number of the members in case of private company? Option here is the 2, 7, 10 and the 15. So answer of this it is the minimum maximum number of member required for private company is the 50. Business it means commerce, industry and commerce, trade and commerce, selling and buying of goods. Answer of this here is the industry and the commerce. Next question. Which of the following is not an economic activity? A doctor practicing, a lawyer practicing law, professional cricketer playing a cricket, and a student playing a cricket. Answer of this a student playing a cricket. Which of the following is an extractive industry? Cattle breeding, pork, forest cultivation, hunting, and the flour mills. Answer of this it is the hunting. Next, which of the following is not a manufacturing industry? Iron and steel work, flour mills, fruit canning, and the mining. Answer of this is the mining. Next question. A valid definition of a business purpose is to create a customer, maximize the profits, and serves the society, increases the wealth of the firm. Answer of this it is the create a customer. Next question. Functions of management: planning, staffing, coordinating, and all of the above. Answer of this it is the all of the above. Next, the maximum number of partner in the banking firm is 10, 20, 5, and unlimited. Answer of this question it is the 10. Business is an non-economical activity. Economical activity. It is both of economical and the non-economical activity and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the economical activity. Next question. A person who is interested to start a retail drugstore, it must be the pharmacist, registered pharmacist, chemist, and the druggist. So answer of this, it is a registered pharmacist. Next question. An example of multiple shop system is Bata, duty free shop, retail drugstore, and the cosmetic shop. Answer of this, it is the Bata. Next question. A chemist shop, it deals only in drug and so is an example of general store, single line store, street stalls, and none of the above. Answer of this, it is the single line store. The goods which are used by final consumer are called as capital of goods, consumer of goods, producer of goods, and none of the above. Answer of this, it is the consumer of goods. Next question. Multiple shop, it deals in all the goods, same type of foods, specified same type of goods, and specified type of goods. Answer of this, it is the specified same type of the goods. Itinerant retailer is operate its business from fixed premises, moving stalls, general stores to the another place, and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the moving stalls. If 51% of share of a business organization are in hands of the government, then this type of the industry, it is called as public cooperation, government company, public company, and departmental organization. Answer of this, it is the government company. Minimum number of person required to form a private company is 2, 5, 7, and 10. Answer of this, it is the 2. Next question. The maximum number of partner allowed in case of banking firm is 5, 10, 20, and the 40. Answer of this, it is the 10. Next question. Maximum number of partner allowed in general business is 10, 20, 50, and 100. Answer of this, it is the 20. Next question. Site selection of drugstore is a important decision, insignificant decision, irrelevant decision, and none of the above. So answer of this question, it is a important decision. The layout of drugstore, it depends upon the pharmacist proprietor rules which specified in the schedule N, availability of the spaces, and all of the above. So answer of this question, it is the rule which specified in schedule N. Next, coding of atom, it helps in handling of the store of atom, standardization of drug, reduction of atoms, and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the handling of store of atom. Next, alphanumerical codification is suitable for large scale organization, small scale organization, medium scale organization, and all of the above. Answer of this, it is for the large scale organization. Next, selection of drugstore site, it depends on cash in hand, hospital proximity, hygienicity of the place, and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the all of the above. Prices of drug, it depends on cost of raw material, government regulation, limited consumption, and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the all of the above. Indian Contract Act was passed in 1992. 1872, 1972 and the 1892. Answer of this, it is the 1872. Wholesaler, it deals in small quantity of goods, large quantity of goods, better quantity of goods and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the large quantity of goods. Retailer deals in small quantity of goods, large quantity of goods, better quantity of goods and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the small quantity of goods. Next question. A wholesaler, it serves as link between manufacturer and retailer, consumer, both of this retailer and the consumer and none of the above. Answer of this, it is the retailer. Retailer have direct link with wholesaler, consumer, manufacturer and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the consumer. Next, in a mail order business, goods are sold on cash, credit, both cash and credit basis and the installment basis. Answer of this, it is the cash. Next, the oldest form of business organization, joint stock company, sole proprietorship, partnership and all of the above. Answer of this, it is the joint stock company. Next question. The buying and selling of pharmaceutical items for making profit is called as commerce, trading, direct service and indirect service. Answer of this, it is the trading. Partnership business is free which restriction to call the meeting, to audit the annual account, to publish certain statement and all of this. Answer of this, it is the all of this. Next question. Poultry farm, it comes under extractive industry, manufacturing industry, genetic industry and the construction industry. Answer of this, it is the genetic industry. On the basis of ownership, industry are following categories except public sector, joint sector, government sector and the private sector. Answer of this, it is the joint sector. Given the following, which is not an ideal place, opening a new drugstore, developing area, flow of traffic, near hospital and the business locality. Answer of this, it is the flow of traffic. Next, given the following are the disadvantages of joint Hindu family business except the one, no legal status, limited growth and expansion, limited resources, limited liability of the karta. Answer of this, it is the limited liability of the karta. Next, on the basis of mode of incorporation, the company are following type except statutory company, register company, private company and the chartered company. Answer of this, it is the private company. Next question. Given the following are the functions of the management except staffing, planning, eliminating and the controlling. Answer of this, it is the eliminating. Next, given the following, it includes in low levels of management, it except clerk, superintendent, supervisor and assistant manager. Answer of this is the assistant manager. Next question. Given the following are included in the top levels of the management except directors, vice chancellor, managing director and the HOD. Answer of this, it is the director. Next question. Warehousing is done to save the places, time, cost and the labor requirement. Answer of this, it is a place.